Hello guys, this is your KP sir. This video is related to ESC mains question number 1E from environmental engineering subject, which is related to disposal of effluent. Before going to start the question solution, so we have a discussion regarding offer alert. An academy में 1 year subscription if you take, you will get 3 months additional benefit. So total 15 months. If you start your journey of GATE 2023 from now till your GATE and IS exam completion, this 15 months subscription is sufficient. So now join Unacademy 1 year subscription and get additional 3 months and enjoy till the end of your GATE and ES exam. The best offer, which is going to be ended as soon as possible. So take subscription with the code KP Civil Live and join Unacademy Plus course. Because a new batch is going to start from 24th November onwards. The first subject is the basic subject strength of metals going to start from Wednesday onwards. Now, the question is given here. Question 1E from Environmental Engineering, Mains Paper 2. A wastewater treatment plant discharges 10 meter cube per second of effluent having ultimate BOD of 45 mg per liter. So we'll make a note of this. Just take discharge and ultimate BOD. What is releasing? Wastewater treatment plant is releasing. Wastewater treatment plant is releasing. How much discharge? 1 meter cube per second discharge with BOD of 45 milligram per liter. With BOD of 45 milligram per liter. A river flowing at a river. So river data also provided here. Two component. One is wastewater. Second one is river. River flowing with a discharge of 10 meter cube per second. Just upstream from the discharge point, consider this is a river. This is a river flowing with 10 meter cube per second discharge. And wastewater from a treatment plant. Wastewater from a treatment plant is coming. So this is a discharging point. Just assume that is a discharging point. Wastewater released. This is discharging point. Take this is river flow and this is wastewater. Now just before discharging point, this is discharging point. This point will consider as discharging point. Just upstream of from the discharging point. This is upstream of discharging point. This is downstream of discharging point. The river water has an ultimate BOD here. Has an ultimate BOD 4 milligram per liter. Deoxygenation constant 0.22 per day. So what we need to derive? We need to derive. Assume complete and instantaneous mixing. What would be ultimate BOD of the mixture of waste and river just downstream from the outfall? Just downstream, exactly where you are going to mix, exactly at that point, just downstream. So just at this point of mixing, what is ultimate BOD? So you just go with the formula, regular formula. Mix BOD, weighted average formula we are having. We discussed the same mix BOD weighted average formula. So what you can take? Ultimate BOD of wastewater into discharge of wastewater plus ultimate BOD of river water into discharge of river water divided by weighted average. Discharge of wastewater plus discharge of river water. Just weighted average of two values. So what we can consider here, very clearly written, ultimate BOD of wastewater given here, please check, 45, discharge of wastewater 1 plus ultimate BOD of river 4, discharge 10. टोटल डिस्चार्ज क्या है? वेस्ट वाटर डिस्चार्ज 1, river discharge 10. So just a weighted average is going to give you answer. After calculation, what you are getting? 7.7272 mg per liter. This is the question 1 in E. 1E first bit. 1E first bit. We have second bit also. Assuming constant cross sectional area for the river equal to 60 meter square. So 1E second bit we are solving. Constant cross sectional area of the river 60 meter square. What ultimate BOD would you expect to find a point 10 kilometer downstream? Please understand. So this is a point of discharge. Consider this is 10 kilometer. 10 kilometer. So during the journey, what is it started with? It started with ultimate BOD of mix 7.7272. And it reaches after 10 kilometer at this point. So what is ultimate BOD at 10 kilometer? Means ultimate BOD remaining चाहिए हमको. Because 0 to 10 kilometer is consumed wala. Understand that 0 to 10 kilometer is the distance travel. BOD consumed, oxygen degradation takes place, BOD consumed. What we need is remaining BOD at 10th kilometer. That is ultimate BOD remaining. What would you expect at 10 kilometer downstream? So if you consider ultimate BOD remaining to be consumed, this is required. Where remaining to be consumed? Yet 10 kilometer downstream. Yet 10 kilometer downstream. So we take that formula. Ultimate BOD of mix into e power minus kT. Ultimate BOD of mix into e power minus kT. Ultimate BOD remaining formula. So time required for us. Time is equal to what we can take. It is traveling a distance of 10 kilometer now. Distance with what velocity it can travel? Time is equal to distance by velocity, general formula. So distance is taken length of travel. Velocity, discharge of flow by cross section area. So we can take cross section area into length by discharge. Time. We can derive for time now. Time is equal to cross section area into length by discharge. Cross section area 60 meter square, length 10 kilometer, 10,000 meter. डिस्चार्ज वाला चाहिए. डिस्चार्ज क्या है? 10 मीटर क्यूब पर सेकंड फॉर रिवर, 1 मीटर क्यूब पर सेकंड फॉर वेस्ट वाटर. टोटल 11 into 24 into 60 into 60. This is to convert to days. Meter cube per second given, second to convert into days. So that we are multiplying 11 into 24 into 60 into 60. So what you are getting now? Time. Time in which unit? Days. Because 60 into 10,000 meter cube divided by meter cube per day. So time you are getting in days. 0.6313 days. 0.6313 days. Now ultimate BOD remaining. Ultimate BOD remaining is required for us. Ultimate BOD of mix into e power minus kt. So we may take 10 power minus kdt also, no issue, because both values, if you check and calculate, e power minus kt given, if you solve 10 power minus kdt have taken and with the given constant, if you get same answer. So what is given k value? E power minus 0.22 time 0.6313. Same it is coming. 10 power minus 0.22 into 0.6313. So no confusion because they have not mentioned what base. But very clearly, when you take E base or 10 base also, both are giving same answer 0.862, not varying. So that no issue, you go with the ultimate BOD mix 7.7272 into e power minus 0.22 into 0.6313. Both the same, you are getting 6.66 mg per liter. So BOD remaining ka formula ultimate BOD into e power minus kt kd, because it is at the value of 0.22. At the value of 0.22 we are taking e base and we'll substitute that, we are getting 6.66 mg per liter. So two question, one is weighted average, another one is BOD remaining. Easy simple question tha. If in GATE exam in 1 minute we are going to solve using Calc, it is a ESC mains, we are writing step by step, it will take a lengthy procedure. Okay, bye bye all of you.